Madali lang siya minsan i-pray, pero kapag mangyari na siya sa'yo, ang hirap niya. Hindi mo talaga papayagan na you will give into that emotion. May siya again do ano pa?
9, 50, 10.
50th!
Welcome back to our channel. First, then flies have been biting. Stay in my place. Don't. And then, every time I bite you, then things bad happen. And also pop too. So, the thing to do is first, spray them out. Then make sure they act like water. Next, you put oil and oil. I like my two. What you doing?
Kai, what is that? What is that? Huh? Aba. 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 Eh, kuring ka. May order ka.
Do the vlog.
Wala ko gana.
Sorry, that was it. No. Let's put it in this bowl. No.
Hi guys, it's Mommy Doc and welcome to the vlog. Honestly, it's already late. Ay, hindi naman. Parang after lunch na. It's already afternoon na. And ngayon lang ako naka-welcome sa inyo sa vlog na to. Because, first and foremost, kahit ako rin, ang dami munang inayos, getting back on track sa lahat-lahat. It's already Monday and it's start of the week. Pero dahil nga sa lahat ng mga nangyari, last week, parang feeling ko, nasira yung schedule namin, nasira yung lahat ng mga plans, and yung emosyon ko, naghahanap rin ng kakapitan to really, to get back on everything. Because of the 2 typhoons, honestly, we are blessed lang, one of the whole households na blessed kasi bumalik na yung kuryente namin and okay na rin yung wifi namin. But for some houses here sa Bacolod, especially with other cities sa Negros, sobrang wala pa talagang power, wala pa ring signal. With our family, syempre, no school yung mga kids, even yung mga college students, yung mga assistant ko dito, wala ding school because nga yung cancellation because of the typhoon. Ang iba naman, yung isa sa mga students dito sa amin, yung school nila sobrang pangit yung damages. So talagang magre-rebuild din. So wala pa. Even with the school of my 2 kids, nasira yung parang power nila sa transformer nila. Tapos madaming puno yung nag-stop pa, nagbablock pa ng mga roads. So talagang rebuild siya talaga. Kaming walang signal and power pa. So parang nag-asynchronous siya, nagbigay lang ng mga activities and yun yung gagawin namin this afternoon. Pero isa yun sa mga parang na-frustrate ako. I've been dealing this with the Lord. Siyempre, nung last pa lang talaga with what happened with my mom, lahat ng yun. Tapos, siguro, ang hirap lang talaga na, especially kapag may plan ka, tapos hindi siya nangyari, tapos parang, that's why, yung prayer mo nga palagi, mafe-feel mo talaga yung prayer mo na, Lord, thy will be done. Kasi honestly, madali lang siya minsan i-pray, pero kapag mangyari na siya sa'yo, ang hirap niya. Siyempre, may naplano ka na sa mind mo, itong gagawin ko, na-fix up mo na and everything. Tapos, bigla lang di siya mangyayari. Siyempre, I know, kung anong nangyari, that's the will of the Lord. That's the plan of the Lord. So, talagang, you really need to to submit or alam mo yun, trusting the Lord fully na it's the best for everyone, it's the best for you kasi yun yung will ni Lord. Pero, alam mo yun, yung emotion and everything, it's frustrating. Ang hirap talaga, totoo yan. Being very honest, na kanina pa talaga, sabi ko talaga, I will be vlogging today. Talagang nasa-schedule ako ng ganun. Pero kanina, sobrang ang hirap kong ganito, makipag-usap with the vlog. Talagang I can just take parang mga snippets lang of what is happening in the house. Pero, yun nga, because very burdened ako. I've been listening to praise songs. Tapos, yun nga, dealing with the Lord. Talagang ngayon, magbabasa na naman ako ng Bible. Talagang everything, all of it. I really don't know, pero I know I should not give in with my emotions. And sa mga moment na to, alam mo talaga, kahit anong mangyari, you need to continue with life. Syempre, if you're taking care of your house, you need to be strong. That's why, dapat kapit ka lang kay Lord sa lahat-lahat ng yun. Kasi, siya lang naman makapag-provide ng strength for you to move on, to rebuild again, lahat ng yun. Yung syempre, kasi sa amin talaga to really help out. Pangit yung sitwasyon ngayon nila. At hindi mo talaga papayagan na you will give into that emotions na parang super bothered ka. Pero syempre, valid din yun talaga kasi nafe-feel mo yun and you really need that. Kanina pa ako nakikipag-usap kay Daddy. Talagang naghahaga ako sa kanya. Really, I'm trying to calm down, lahat ng yun, and to settle down kasi ang hirap magtrabaho. Parang ngayon, I go back with my work na. Dapat kasi by plan talaga. Ang nangyayari is, isang nasira sa akin, syempre, 3 days akong absent last time. So, it will take on my leave. Nasira talaga yung plan namin with the vacation leave, lahat ng yun. So, wala kang magawa. Kasi, nangyari yun. Alam mo yun, it's a calamity, parang ganon. Tapos, dapat today nasa Maynila na ako. May training kami dapat, parang leadership training, na-cancel yun. Tapos, I need to rebook kasi, yun nga, hindi safe yung pag-travel sa plane, lahat ng yun. So, reschedule na naman. Tapos yung balik ko sa Maynila, hindi na siya aabot sa training na yon. So, hindi ako maka-join. Parang, it's a part of me na gusto kong maka-join sana doon. Tapos parang, alam mo yun, hindi pala plan ni Lord na maka-join ako doon. Parang, I've been thinking a lot of things, lahat ng yun. Pero mas may malaking plan sa Lord sa lahat-lahat ng mga nangyari. Kaya nga, nandun ako, I'm on that part of my emotions right now and I'm sharing it to you guys kasi I know it's not just me. We should remain to be the salt and light in our family, in the people around us. And especially dito sa amin, dito rin yung mga disciples ko, with our D group, with my sisters. It's also a learning experience for me, and the Lord is really building a character, growing something inside of me. That's why nga, wala kang magawa. You just need to deal it with the Lord, connect with the Lord, kung anong gusto niya, and to just get back on track. Buti na lang, alam mo, minsan, inisip ko talaga, kapag habang tinitingnan ko lang yung mga kids ko, parang alam mo yun, Lord, give me that innocent mind na lalo. Parang, they just wala lang, they're so happy, they're here, they're with their family. And you know, alam lang talaga nila that they are well taken care of. And if you are a Christian, if you are following the Lord, you know that you are well taken care of by the Lord. Kahit anong pang pinagdadaanan mo, kahit anong sitwasyon ka pa ngayon. I'm a very sensitive person, very emotional talaga ako, and naapektuhan ako with people around me, kung anong nafe-feel nila, if they have problems. It's really burden siya talaga sa akin. Kaya siguro feeling ko kaya ang bigat din, kahit hindi kami yung grabe na natamaan. We have a lot of friends na hanggang ngayon missing pa yung mga relatives nila. May mga friends kami na nawalan talaga ng bahay, magto-total reset sila, lahat ng yun. It really hurts so much. Parang ganun, iniisip ko every night, paano na lang ganito, anong gagawin nila. I still need to continue to work, and nag-lunch break lang ako, lahat ng yun, but I'll be getting back with everything. Later, we will have a discipleship group sa mga makakapunta lang sa D group namin, sa mga ladies namin. And with my kids, I will help them out. Tatabit sila dito sa akin with their school na mga ano. But we really need to move on. Alam mo yun, it's on you. The Lord will provide all you need, but you also need to move. You need to move. Parang yun lang sinasabi ko ngayon. And you take it one step at a time.
And you need to do your 187 to 189 ABC. For faith, wait naman lang. Foot, tuhod, knee, balikat, shoulder, ulo, head.
Muna to count from 51 to 100. Okay, you count. Go.
1,
No, start with 51.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 10.
50. No, what's next with 59? What's next with 59? 60. Meter or cm on
This is gonna
meter. This one lang go. Centimeter, cm.
Mommy.
So 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, like that.
Mom, this is big.
Yes. That one is small lang.
Am I right? And what about the human?
Yeah, human
Yeah.
meter.
Let's make a band. I'll make a new song. You will, by playing the guitar, and Fei, you will dance. Are you ready yet? No, why can't I play it? What? Pick it down. No, I just mean I will play the guitar. You will dance, okay? Oh. Have a Christmas tree. Love yourself in Christmas and you see 6 stars, but what can be the first star?
Yung shift ang offer, babe. Sabi. Night shift also for the first 30 days. Day yung shift na
Come with me. I'm excited. If my friends go.
I'm already done with my work. It's past 5 p.m. Yes, that's why, tawag na to, nakagawa na ako ng ibang mga chores and also spend time with the kids. Nandito kami sa room kasi kakagising lang nung ni Kai Kai and yung dalawang sisters niya, super grabe yung laro. Yan, sila yung maingay. Can we rest for a while? Just 5 minutes of quiet time.
Okay, let's try to be silent.
Okay. When I say silent, you should also stop moving. You rest first. Stop jumping around and hurting each other.
Wait, we're not.
Okay, just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of rest.
Wait.
Okay?
Can we rest? It's
Mother? You call me mother?
No, I didn't mean we are playing.
Who is the mother?
Mother frog.
Mother. You're the tadpole. Okay. The mother frog and the tadpole wants to rest first for 5 minutes. Bali, may may discipleship group pa kami ngayon and we planned na dito na lang muna sa bahay because nga yun nga sa weather tapos sa lahat ng mga nangyayari, we'll catch up with the ladies tapos sino lang yung makakapunta kasi yun nga recovering pa yung lahat even sa mga bahay nila tapos yung iba wala pa talagang electricity or internet sa bahay. So, I know it's very difficult. Kaya, yun, no pressure lang but we're gonna meet. We're waiting lang sa isa naming kasama. Then, after that, I think I'll go also get ready with the dinner. And sa iba pa, I think there are still
Babies.
activities you did not do, right? Or are you done na? Actually, you still have spelling and vocabulary to memorize. And for Feifei, I think you still have writing. Correct? So, we're gonna do it later na lang, okay?
Yeah, after the big group, can we now start to study?
Okay, after na. After na, okay? Dapat kasi sana kukuha kami nung mga for donation drive. Magdaan kina Achi dun sa bahay, sa big house. Pero, I think di na namin kayanin. Bukas kasi namin dadalhin sa dun sa D group namin. I think that's all lang naman. Hopefully, we can rest na mamaya and just go on with our life habang nag-recover fully talaga. My favorite vlog.
So our first cleaning project of this video is to head into the living room and take care of our wood stove. Drop this emoji in the comments.
Kai Kai!
Ano dito gano'n yung close eyes.
Since therefore, ang conclusion is, Christ suffered in the flesh. Kaya di ba si Christ naging man? So, this is si Jesus Christ, nagsuffer din siya yan here as human. Arm yourself with the same way of thinking. So, arm yourself with what? Ang gin-arm niya sa iya, ang ginaparediya sa inyo is way of thinking. Imagine? So, wala siya nagambag na something subong. Ang gina-correct niya sa inyo is how you think sa mga bagay-bagay na nakatabog sa inyo subong. So, ang kanya, kay si Christ nag-suffer sa flesh, amuli ka mo dapat manungdo. For whoever has suffered in the flesh has ceased from sin. Nagbalik. Ginising na ako ni Daddy kasi nakatulog na ako while nag-scroll sa phone. Feeling much better, especially nung natapos kami kaninang madi group with the ladies. ang ganda nung namin, na-discuss namin yung in 1 Peter chapter 4, and it really reminds us na as a follower of Christ, your way of thinking, or paano ka dapat mag-think, even what you should do, knowing that the end is at hand, lahat ng yun, and even your perspective with suffering, why you rejoice even in suffering, lahat ng yun. So it really helped each one of us, and it also encouraged one of us as we shared yung experience nga namin with this weeks nga with the typhoon, and some of us na wala pa rin silang kuryente, lahat ng yun. Ang galing ni Lord, building us up. The Lord did not made us to be alone. Totoong-totoo yan. So, if you are watching this, I really encourage you, if you are there following Christ, growing Christian, I really encourage you to have your own small group, to have your own discipleship group where you can grow, where you can have accountability, or someone na makatulong talaga sa'yo in leading you to Christ. Kasi they will be the one also that will lift you up. They will be the one na para makakasama mo in your journey as you grow as a Christian. I cannot stress it out, even sa amin ni Daddy Harvey. With our journey as we grow as a Christian, tagal na rin kaming Christian dalawa. 20 years na ba? Ako, more than 10 years. So, same din with Daddy. And as we grow, yun nga, nakikita namin how the Lord moves or use people around us. How He bring people to us para makatulong sa amin. With our journey, lahat ng yun. So, yun siguro. Kanina, I shared everything that I feel, lahat ng yun. Pero now, I'm feeling much better talaga. I will rest kasi uminom ako kanina ng anti-allergy kasi yun nga, nag-start na ako parang mag-flu and nagtitake effect na. Nawawala na rin yung effect ng kape, lahat ng yun. So, I need to rest so that tomorrow, naka-build up kami. Honestly, yung tomorrow namin will be collecting yung para sa donation drive, lahat ng yun. And really encourage everyone, especially sa group namin, to really help out with any means you have na be able to encourage you or to lift you up with my vlogs, mga vlogs namin sa family. Yes, we are not perfect, but we really want to share our life, and yun nga, to be a good testimony of Christ also sa mga sa tao sa paligid namin, and even you that is watching us. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe or even follow me in my social media, in my Facebook and Instagram. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Night.